everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see from the title, we've got a home bargains haul, so let's get straight on. So the first item that I picked up was an organisational item. I feel like it's that time of year, we've all cleaned up after Christmas, we're trying to get a bit more organised, like I certainly am. So I picked up this 3-pack of baskets. These are in the pale pink colour. I actually bought these for my bathroom on another haul video that I did, and they are working so well in there. It's just so easy to kind of pull the basket out, see what products that you've got at the back. I thought I'd get some for the kitchen as well, because I always do this. I don't think I have a product and then I'll go and buy it again and then I'll realise it's at the back. So the plan is to organise all the kitchen stuff, and if you see my clean with me videos, that cupboard is not tidy. I don't like it. So the plan is to make it look all beautiful with these, and this set was £3.99. A little bit more of an organisational tool is this grey box. So this was £2.99. You can see it's just a big grey, I don't know if it's supposed to be a shoe box. It kind of looks like a shoe box, but the plan for this is, you'll know if you've seen that video, the clean with me video, I've made my daughter a play corner, and I want to start doing a few little crafts with her because I know she's doing it at nursery and really enjoys it. But I also don't want her to be able to get her mitts on the crafts, because obviously there's going to be like small bits and glue and just different things that she's definitely going to need supervision for. So I got this tub and she's not going to be able to open it. Not yet anyway, not until she's a bit bigger. And yeah, so that's the plan for that, and that'll just sit underneath the table, and I just think that'll look nicer than having just all kind of like bits out everywhere. I picked up this Tresemme heat protectant spray. This is the one that I always use. I kind of fancy a different one. I don't know about you, after I've had a product for so long and I've literally used this product for 2 years straight. I kind of wanted a different product, and I nearly picked up a Schwarzkopf one, but that one only said up to 220, and I swear GHDs get to 230, and I think my curler is 230 as well. So yeah, I went for this one. Apparently it's got a UV filter as well, so it is good. But I did fancy a change. That was £2.99. I noticed they had these new vegan wax melts, and I couldn't resist. They've got a banana cake one and also a coconut one. To be fair, they had loads of different flavours. They had cherry, they had tropical, all sorts of flavours. So that does not smell of banana. God damn it. Like, I feel like that happened in my last video where it didn't smell of the right scent. I really wanted that to be really banana-y. It's very sweet. Oh, I don't know, it kind of just smells like a cake rather than banana. Let me smell the coconut. Surely can't go wrong with coconut. Okay, there's a hint of coconut. It's kind of like, I thought I was going to be knocked out by banana and coconut. No, it's sort of, again, it's kind of like a coconutty cake. It's not like full out, which is probably good, because maybe you don't want your home smelling like food, but I kind of do. But anyway, they were only, they're like 29p or 39p each. And do you know what, how cute is the packaging? I just feel like if you had like a little gift that you had to make up, they would have been perfect stocking fillers at Christmas. I know we're past it, but if you are one of those people who starts at like the beginning of the year, then these would be pretty good to stock up on. I pick up some Astonish. So this is the oven and cookware cleaner. Never tried this before. It was 89p and I thought I'm definitely giving that a go. Looked at my oven the other day, and do you know, it goes from like clean to dirty just like that. I swear it does. It's like 1 minute clean, 1 minute dirty. Obviously been doing a lot of roasts and things over Christmas, so yeah, it's not in good shape, and I just hate doing it. I used the pink stuff last time, but I find the residue is really hard to get rid of because you can't see it until it dries, so I thought I'd give this a go for 89p. And when I was in there, obviously I was picking up my essentials, but I did treat myself to, it says W7 Velvet Secret Lip Matte Colour. I do like a lip. I just feel like it helps to kind of make the lips, I don't know, you tend to not need a lip liner if you're using matte lipstick, so that's why I like it, because it's efficient. It's this really pretty pink colour. It was 99p, and I'm one of those people, I lose lipsticks all the time. I have an eyeshadow for years. You probably shouldn't have it for years because of the sell by, but eyeshadow lasts me forever, so does blush and bronzer and things. But lipstick, I just constantly lose. I have them in all my handbags, coat pockets. Sometimes I'll just randomly find an old lipstick in a coat pocket in my car. So yeah, I thought I'd treat myself while I was in there, and it's a really beautiful colour. I feel like it's a really nice everyday colour. Talking of essentials, you can buy food in Home Bargains, which is, do you know what, it's just so handy. And for me, our Home Bargains has a better car park than our small shops, so it's really good to just nip in there. So I got this whole milk for my daughter, we've run out. It was 69p. I actually don't know how that compares to in the supermarket, because in the supermarket I tend to just grab it and go. It doesn't matter how much it costs. Also got these as well, definitely essential with a baby. Like literally these can be a snack, they can be breakfast, they can be lunch. Do you know what I mean? You can just kind of make anything, and she absolutely loves Dairy. So yeah, they were I think 69p each. With my little girl, she did get a little bit spoiled, even though it's after Christmas. This is because her dad is soft. Oh, and I just want to say, I was shopping before the national lockdown, even though I'm filming after. I do hope everybody's okay and looking after themselves. But yeah, she did get spoiled to this, which is a animal set. This was £3.99, and it has lions, giraffe, tiger, an elephant. Now she knows a lion because she calls it a rah-rah, but she doesn't know any of the other animals yet. So this is kind of like an educational tool to help her learn as she's coming along. She loves farm animals, but we know it's only going to be a matter of time before she wants something new. So got that for her. £3.99, which is a bargain. Pick up some cotton wool balls that were 59p, and I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of crafting with her with these. This was an amazing purchase. I've been after one of these for ages. I was looking on eBay. I am terrible. I rest my drink on the arm of the settee, because often we have the coffee table pushed back so that she can wander and not hurt herself. And yeah, they're like £8 on eBay, and people are actually selling this brand. You can tell they've been in Home Bargains and selling it on at a profit, which I don't think is necessarily a bad thing, because not everywhere has a Home Bargains, but they're selling it for like over double the price. Home Bargains, this was £2.99, so obviously this just sits on the end of the settee, can organise your controls and things in here, and I just thought that was perfect. She did also get another sticker book. This was 69p, so absolute bargain. She just loves stickers at the moment, and just sticking them down and taking them back off and sticking them down and then throwing them on the floor. But I don't mind, because she enjoys it and it keeps her occupied for a little bit. As I was talking about crafting, I was like, I don't really want her to use glue, but so I found those and I was like, oh, I'll just pick them up as just like a backup. I could do it, obviously I'll be supervising. But then I did see some of this double-sided sticky tape, which I think will be a lot better, because I can stick it onto the cotton wool boards, then all she has to do is stick it onto the paper. Well, my plan is actually I'm going to get a toilet roll and make a bar sheet with it, because she loves sheep at the moment. So that is the plan for our Wednesday craft. These were 69p each. Now I don't know about you guys, but I get so nervous when I don't have any Dr. Beckman in the house. This is their carpet stain remover. It's £2.79, and it's absolutely brilliant for getting any stains out of carpets, off your settees. It's absolutely perfect. I even saw Gemma Louise Mills use it on her hoodie. I've never tried it on clothes myself though, but it's just brilliant, and it's just so easy to use, and it works. Because of everything that's still going on, I do like to have lots of antibacterial surface wipes around in the car, in handbags, just anywhere that I'm going to need them, especially if I'm out. I like to want my phone. I couldn't find the ones that you can use on your skin and on surfaces. They've completely sold out of those, so I just picked these ones up. They were 59p, and they are the apple scented. You get 50 wipes in here. I just thought, wow, I do have hand sanitizer as well. I'll go all out, obviously. But yeah, I just think they're handy to kind of like wipe trolleys down. I know they have the stuff in the shops, but I tend to, what I find really annoying is the trolleys are outside, so you have to get your trolley to then go in to clean it. I kind of want to clean it before I even touch it, so that's why I tend to carry wipes around with me. Took some of these laundry pods. This is just when, do you know when the washing machine is so full you can't get your like washing gel or powder in, just shove a pod in. So these were I think £2.59, £2.29. Yeah, these were £2.29, and of course just look how pretty that packaging is. It is so spring, and that is the one thing that I look forward to at this time of year. We're on the other side. We're getting into those longer days. Fingers crossed in well, it'll be a couple of months really, won't it, until the weather warms up. But still, getting in that spring stuff. I'm the opposite. I know people on YouTube love autumn. I'm all about spring. Anyway, I'm just getting totally off subject. These are the Jasmine and Orange Blossom. And yeah, it was just really the beautiful butterflies that drew me into those. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are on Instagram, don't forget to go and check me out over there. Remember to stay safe, take care, and I shall see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.